Get your hair ready for distinctive, masterfully sculpted waves. Section hair into multiple layers using sectioning clips. Lightly mist the bottom layer with Bedhead Masterpiece Hairspray for massive shine and serious hold. Work from the scalp to the ends of your hair. Lightly clamp a small section of hair between barrels and hold your Bedhead Wave Artist in this position for a few seconds. Release the handles and let the hair slip out. For continuous waves, match the outermost wave of your hair with the barrel and hold in position for 10 seconds. Continue taking small sections of hair until bottom layer is done. Proceed with the other layers and repeat the process until desired look is achieved. Finish your look with a final mist of Bedhead Masterpiece Hairspray to set the style, and voila! Your hair turned into a work of art.